Hey, what's going on? Golf here from Paver Perfection. Oh yeah, man, we on this driveway restoration today. Actually, it's a patio and a driveway. Got the repair group guys out here right now taking care of the repairs. When they're done, we're gonna strip off all this old failed sealer, get this thing restored. Let's walk around the back where we're working at right now. As you can see, we sprayed our tidal wave stripper spray. We stopped right here. We were gonna keep spraying, but they're working right there, so we don't want the water to run back. So we'll be stripping this area last. So got the guys around the back already stripping. They're using this strippernator from High Load Solutions, man. These things are awesome. Oh yeah, man. As you can see, it's all coming off with ease. Everything is spraying and ready to strip. You can see the sealer already starting to re-liquefy in a lot of areas. Um, Especially the underneath area, you can see it all white and everything. Crazy. Pretty big property though, man. Goes all the way around this side. Oh, it's very slippery. The sealer is ready to go. Shipping this also, but we're shipping this last after they finish with the repairs around here. Oh yeah, man. A lot going on, a lot going on.
Hey guys, some cool drone footage right here. This is from the DJI Mini. Um, got this thing out here today. Got some cool shots, man. See the stripinator down there kicking butt. Oh yeah. Got a 24-inch stripinator underneath. Look at the pool barriers around the pool. Those little rubber things around the pool. Those are what I use to keep back the stripper from out the pool. They work awesome. Very cheap option too. They're actually garden edgers at Home Depot. Sold in the outside garden section, man. You should definitely pick them up. Line up one area of the pool where you're stripping at, and definitely stop the flow from going in the pool. That 24 is moving, man. Look at that thing. Little aerial spin around view right here, you know. So we're working with excellent view out there on that ocean, man. I mean, wow. Monster home, though. The front is even bigger. Final product right here. This was 2 coats of Hurricane Cat 5 with some tan joint sand, and this thing came out beautiful. Like always, like and subscribe.